looks like the start of the second bloom is here. Check that out. Sucks people are here breaking glass everywhere and there's trash in places, you know, that freaking sucks. So maybe we'll check back here in a few weeks. The expired ghost pipe here caught my eye. You see this? If you see that and you don't see any ghost pipe yet, it's gonna hit. Okay, and just as I put my phone away and got ready to walk away, here are some fresh, juicy prime ones to take a look at. So let's just take a peek. Always want to be careful. There's definitely more. There you go. So let's look down a little bit. There it is. Alright, another fresh patch, but I see a gnarly mosquito den. Ooh, I'm trying to zoom in on it, but I'm getting out of here. I'm getting tore up. Alright, it's hot, but not too bad in the canopy. Found a lot of oysters. I mean, a ton. That might be a new personal record. Too bad my fridge is full of chicken of the woods. Just kind of seeing what else I find. Alright, you find these a lot with ghost pipe. I think the nickname is Reese Cup. They are edible, but I don't think they're choice. So, I've never had them. Alright, well, found more Monotropa Uniflora. So, you see the way the leaf litter is? Not a lot of brush in this section of the forest. That's what you want to look for. And look in. And you can catch these guys roadside too if you drive slow enough. Alright, say goodbye to the shade. Record high here in Pennsylvania today. Woo-hoo. Man. Well, it's too hot. I'm too pale. So I'm giving up. I've been out here for like an hour and a half. Check you later.